what's up guys? Today we will lab. I show it to you how I do it, how we do it. So we have a task. We need to learn our body. I need to learn my body, how I can turn every part of my body. And that's all. What I gonna do? I will bounce in or rocking or dive with the feeling of the music, and in these motions, in this moment, I will turn any part of the body, upper body, my hands from the shoulder, from the elbow, and wrist, head, my neck, boom, my legs. You bounce or rock, and you, wow, how my body can do it with the bounce, with the feeling. And that's all. Twist your body like this, like this, like this. It's not leg switch, just twisting, turning, boom, boom, boom. I need to find shapes like this, for example. Yeah, boom, yes. And when I do this, what I feel? I feel that I'm like a robot or some mechanical machine. When I do this, bam, my body is go back, boom, or like this, or like this, or from this motion, my head goes up, boom, 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 boom. Understand? So find the shape, find your move, find your feeling. That's all. This is how we need to lab. This is real lab.
I'm a goon. But I'm still breathing. What? Give you a dose of what? I'm a goon. But I'm still breathing. What? Give you a dose of what? I'm a goon. But I'm still breathing. What? Give you a dose.
What I'm fine right now. I have turning in this part of my body. Here, I turn my leg from my hips. And when I change the shape, I do the same move, but it looks different. You see, like this and like this. I'm turning the same part of my body. or in this move, in this part of my body. I turn this part, my shoulder. So, boom. Or when my hand straight, it looks like this. You see? Okay, next. Body. Boom. Boom. And straight and turning. Boom. You change the shape, your story changed too. In different way. You need to do it and find your shapes, your story, your feeling. You don't need to do it sharply, quickly. When you do it slowly, you can feel it. You can feel it. Every move. When you do it sharply or quickly, you don't understand what's happening. Okay, so relax, focus on your body and on your feelings, and the main task, this is turning.
I'm a goon.
But I'm still breathing.
What? Give you a dose. What? I'm a goon.
But I'm still breathing.
What? Give you a dose. What? I'm a goon.
But I'm still breathing.
What? Give you a dose.
Next thing what we need to add, this is textures to main task. We have 3 of them. We have dragging, we have live, and we have ticking. For example, this move, I can do it live. It's like boom, just simple move like this. Or I imagine that I catch something and I drag it. I need to show. Okay, little Spitfire, please help me. Little Spitfire, like a monkey, standing on your knees. When I imagine that I need to drag right now, I need to put it up this side of the barrel. It will be heavy. It will be difficult. Understand? So I need to make a power. It will be in the texture dragging, like a drag something. Boom. You see? It's not easy like in this boom. When I'm live, when I'm drag something, I imagine this and you see, it's more power. I imagine that somebody make many photos in one moment, in this moment, boom, and I watch this photos. I see this, boom, 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 how the poses change. It's not like a move, it's like change the pose of this motion. Understand? This is ticking. When I do, for example, this move in live texture, I do like this, boom or boom. In dragging, I need to make more power because somebody hold my shoulder, okay? And ticking. It will be like many photos in this move, boom, 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 boom. Understand? In the previous exercise, in the previous lab, you find your moves. Now we need to add textures, 3 of them.
I'm a goon.
But I'm still breathing.
What? Give you a dose of what? I'm a goon.
But I'm still breathing.
What? Give you a dose of what? I'm a goon.
But I'm still breathing.
What? Give you a dose of
Okay, I think it's okay for today. It's not must practice just one track like we do it. You need to practice, I think, 2 hours and then session it. And of course, film it. And then you need to watch your footages and analyze it. And next day after that, you can lab again with a new task or with the same task. In the next lesson, I think we do the same. We really need to lab it more. Thank you for watching. Level up. Enjoy. Yes, Spitfire. See you soon. Banging.